Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Cosine 2x equals to 1 minus 2 sine s squared. So I will put this one go in here. And now I need to change the sign of this one. That's about negative number 1 plus 2 sine s squared. 1 minus 1 we cancel. Sine s squared divided by sine s squared, you got about 1 over 2. And the integration of this one, you got about s over 2, and we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.